United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 92, Status of Ships, 1. Ships shall sail under the flag of one state only, and, save in exceptional cases expressly provided for in international treaties, or in this convention, shall be subject to its exclusive jurisdiction on the high seas. A ship may not change its flag during a voyage, or while in a port of call, save in the case of a real transfer of ownership, or change of registry. 2. A ship which sails under the flags of two or more states, using them according to convenience, may not claim any of the nationalities in question with respect to any other state, and may be assimilated to a ship without nationality.